What's good, guys? Welcome back to Ron's Rise. Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another video where we have the world premiere of the Maserati Grecale Folgore in Shanghai. Yes, Maserati unveils its second 100% electric model today at the 2023 Shanghai Auto Show, the Maserati Grecale Folgore. And Maserati sent some cool video to tell you guys all about it. But just as an introduction, it's a model that strengthens the new exclusivity electric family of the Modena-based company. This is the second fully electric Maserati out there, which has been given the name Folgore. This car will be a direct rival to the future electric Porsche Macan, as well as other already established proposals on the market, such as the BMW X3. And with the completed presentation, the Trident brand should be able to start marketing this electric version of its smallest SUV again with the current year of 2023. And this should happen also with the Gran Turismo Folgore, with the debut at the Shanghai Auto Show confirming the importance that China has for the car manufacturer of the Trident. But enough of me talking, let me let Maserati tell you all about this machine.
Folgore is our future, a commitment to the new era of mobility. Maserati Grecale Folgore is our first full electric SUV. We've always been pioneers, and we're seeking to lead the way again, bringing Italian luxury performance into our models and making the everyday exceptional on board the Maserati Grecale Folgore. Sportiness enhanced by elegance, innovation at your disposal, comfort without sacrificing performance. All Folgore models are equipped with air suspension. These are the ingredients of the Trident's top-class SUV. A 100% made-in-Italy creation. A car with an attitude. At the front, Grecale Folgore remains unique by design, with a modified inverted grille for cooling, as an electric vehicle requires. The new Folgore front fascia is inspired by the Trofeo version. It's unmistakably a Maserati, and it's now electric. Inside, 400 volts technology lights up the Grecale Folgore. Outside, the visual longevity of the model makes it recognizable and contemporary, exclusively in its already iconic Rame Folgore color. The aero-driven design is all-encompassing to achieve a competitive target drag coefficient alongside the redesigned rear diffuser. Copper as a color represents our understanding of electrification, which is all about performance. The same dark copper features in the badges and brake calipers, hidden behind the aero wheels, with their specific design. Again, an interpretation of the Trident to enhance maximum aerodynamics. The traditional side vents welcome in the light and make the car more digital in a new illuminated outline. The whole feeling reflects the metamorphosis we are currently experiencing. New inspirations, new materials, and new dynamism. And once the doors are closed and the engine is ready to roar, that movement is tangible and visible. The interior design is all about purity, driven by performance and enhanced by the balance of the opposites. Innovation manifests itself through state-of-the-art technology and sustainable materials. Folgore is electric and fascinating. The unique aesthetic of the new Econyl fiber, a regenerated nylon used in the 14-way sport electric seats, in combination with the innovative lasering technique, gives the seats a distinct personality. The interiors are distinguished by the defining Folgore embossed pattern on the dashboard and the carbon copper 3D touch interior trim emphasized by the ambient lights. With Grecale Folgore, technology is the name of in-car pleasure, ensuring exceptional emotions and digital performance. Digital interfaces are tailored to the driver. The touchscreen is uncompromising. Both the 12.3-inch central display and the 8.8-inch comfort display are ergonomically positioned to facilitate access to the controls. The former is 100% connected, and it serves as your passport to the world. The latter provides the best on-board experience. And what about the wireless charger right underneath, as well as the freedom to connect up to 2 phones? Maserati first introduced the digital clock in the Grecale. The nexus of in-car interactions with the Mia Maserati Intelligent Assistant, optimized for Grecale Folgore, providing the digital experience with unparalleled dynamism and graphical sophistication. The driver's seat is the place for everyone to settle in. The forged black heated steering wheel, with drilled leather and blue engine start button, from where the 4 different driving modes, max range, GT, sport and off-road, can be selected. The sport pedals to feel all the fun, and the 12.3-inch digital cockpit, a benchmark in the market for intuitiveness, easy setup and irresistible graphics. Enjoy the unique shape of the saddle cut instrument cluster, positioned exactly where it needs to be. Above all, the reconfigurable head-up display reduces distractions for the driver by projecting key information. The final touch is the unquestionably Italian craftsmanship, made possible by the irresistible Sonus Faber multi-dimensional sound system. Its 21 speakers will immerse you in an all-round sound experience. The extraordinary journey with the new Maserati Grecale Folgore has only just begun.
All right, guys, so what did you think about the Maserati Grecale Folgore? Let me know down in the comments below. What do you guys think about Maserati's first fully electric SUV? Can't wait to get one of these in front of you. Now, if you guys did enjoy the video, make sure you give it a big thumbs up. Giving the video a like will help get it up in the rankings. More people can see it. And we'll cover a bigger discussion on the world debut of the new Maserati Grecale Folgore. Now, with that said, if you guys want to help further support the channel, check the links down in the description below, where I have a one-time link donation for my PayPal, Cash App, Venmo, and Patreon. Just in case you guys want to donate an extra $1 or 2 to the channel, appreciate the love. You guys can also check out the Ron's Rise merch and social media links down in the description below. Make sure you guys subscribe to the channel, and you guys be blessed. Have a great day, and we will talk to you guys in the next Ron's Rise video.